Hello and welcome back. In this video, we shall see how if statement works in case of C programming. So here we shall see if condition. So in case of C programming, now in C programming we have to write it like this: if, and then there will be a given condition there, and if that condition is true, the statement, if we directly write something below this, say I will write down only one statement, statement number 1, then immediately it will execute this statement and the command will go to the next line, that is this line. So this is one type of if statement, and there is another type of if condition, and that is nothing but what? If, and then we will have a condition, and there will be a block here, and in this block we can write down different number of statements, like statement number 1, statement number 2, and so on. So whatever we write in this block, this total block, that will be executed if this condition, that is condition, is true. Then this total block will be executed, and if we don't have such type of curly braces over there, then only one statement immediately after the if condition will be executed. So these are the two different types of if condition loops. We shall see them in the VS Code. So I will just take a new file here. Program number 5, program 5.c. So yes, I will create this file. So this is program 5.c. So first of all, we have to include all the libraries which are required, that is #include stdio.h. Then there will be int main, then the program will begin here. Now we have seen that if the condition is true, then the if statement will execute the things given below that statement. So we will take some number, say for example I will take int, and I will take some number, say maybe I will call it as NUMBR number, and then we'll put some value in this number. Number is equal to, I will put say 10. Rather I can directly write down here also number is equal to 10, but okay, I will write down them separately, and then here we will be using if condition. So I will write down this in the comment that we will be using here if condition example, that condition, this example. So here I will put some condition here, that if, say we will put the condition that number is greater than 0. If the number is greater than 0, then we'll put we can say that if the number is greater than 0, it means what? The number is positive. So what we can do is, in this statement I will write down here printf the number, the given number is positive, okay. So that's all, and then we have what? Return 0. Okay, now if the condition is true, then what will happen? It will print that the given number is positive, else it will directly go to this statement. That means what? If the condition is true, it will directly execute this printf statement, and then it will go out of this loop. If the condition is false, it will not execute this, and it will directly come out of the command, and it will not return any, it will not print anything over there. Okay, so this is there. So I will just save this program by pressing Ctrl S, and we will run this program now. Now see here, it has printed the given number is positive. Why? Because we have put this condition that if the number is greater than 0, then you have to print what? The given number is positive. And the number we have taken as what? 10. And therefore, since 10 is greater than 0, and therefore it has printed what? The number is positive. Now I will put some other number. Say for example, I will put that number is -1. Okay, control S. Now you know that the number -1 is nothing but what? It is less than 0. So therefore, what it should print? It should return nothing. Nothing should return. Nothing should be the output of that program. Okay. See here, in the output we doesn't get anything in the output over there. Okay. So this is there. Now say if I put here that number is 0, for example, and I will again save this program and I will run it. See here, it is not printing anything because here the condition will be number, that is 0 is greater than 0, and the condition 0 greater than 0 is false because 0 is equal to 0, it is not greater than 0, and therefore this statement will not be executed. So this statement will be executed only for what? The numbers which are greater than 0. Say I will put here 5, for example. Then I will again run this program here. See here, it has printed that number is positive. So that means what? Whenever the condition, if condition is true, then only this particular one statement will be executed. Okay. Now in some cases, it may happen that we want to execute a series number, a number of statements when the particular condition is true. Okay. When the particular condition is true, then we have to execute what? A number of statements. So in that case, instead of writing this directly printf below this, we have to write what? Opening and closing braces here, and then I will press enter here, and then I will take this statement I will copy here, or rather cut. I will cut this statement from here, and I will write down this what? Inside this. And control S. Now this will execute this same program here again. If I run this program, see here, I will run it from here. See here, it has printed the same thing, that the number is positive. Okay, that is what? It is greater than 0 and therefore it is positive. Now, but in this case, whenever we give the opening and closing braces here, which we have seen over here, that we have given this opening and closing here. Say this is the if condition there, and if the condition is true, then we have this. So then what happened? Whatever statements we write here inside this block, those statements will be executed. Now for time being, I will write down some statements over here, and we'll see that whether they will be executed or not. So what I will do is, I will just execute some numbers, say some statements. So I will write down printf. I can write any statements over here because we want to check it whether they will be executed or not over here by doing so. So I will say that printf hello, hello. Okay. So I will print hello here, and then after the first statement, what I will do is I will execute the second, that the number is positive. So whenever we enter the number to be positive, the condition is true, then in that situation it should print first hello, and then it should print what? The number is positive. So I will again save this program, and we will execute it again here. See here, it has printed that the hello and the number is positive. So both of these things have been executed here. Sorry, this I have to give as a backslash, actually \n, and this is also \n, so that it will go into the new line and you can exactly see that how it is printing those statements. See here, it has printed in this first line, it has printed hello, and in the second line it has printed what? The number is positive. Now suppose I want a number of statements here. So what I will do is, instead of writing some different statements, I will just copy this one only, and I will paste it here. Okay, 3 times I had pasted this, and I will save this. So what should happen now? It should print 3 times hello, and then it should print the number is positive. See here, it has printed 3 times hello over here, and then it has printed lastly what? The number is positive. So this is what the if statement is there. We have to use it at so many places while doing C programming. So I hope that you understand this statement and this program itself. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.